Hello, my name is Maria Camila Bedoya, and today I will tell about how pastry chef prepare a brownies of chocolate. The ingredients are 175 of cocoa, 250 grams of sugar glass, 4 eggs, 125 grams of flour, 75 grams walnut, and 200 grams of butter and salt. The preparation of the brownies is: Step 1. The chocolate melts in a bowl by pastry cook. Step 2. The oven is prepared to 170 degrees centigrade while preparing the mass for the brownies by chef. Step 3. Melt chocolate is mixed with butter by chef at room temperature to achieve a homogeneous. Step 4. The walnuts are cut in small pieces by the pastry cook. Step 5. Glass sugar, chopped nuts, eggs, flour, and salt to taste are and add to the mixture. And step 6, the mixture is poured into a container bake for 25 minutes. Finally, remove it from the oven and it is cut into squares by the chef. At the finally, ice cream or some strawberries are added by the pastry chef for best flavor. That's all and thanks. Goodbye.